Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about an IP blocklist provider named Spamhaus, which can block the IP addresses. And due to the result of this blocking, you might get this sort of message. It said that the client host, that IP address you are using, is blocked by Spamhaus. To request removal from this list, and then they will give an URL to follow to unblock the IP. So what happened is that in your email system, when you try to send an email, your every email got blocked because your email provider IP has been blocked by Spamhaus. So recently, what I see that in Office 365, this IP belongs to Microsoft. So several Microsoft IPs are got blocked by Spamhaus. So if you're using an Office 365 services and if you encounter this issue, I'm going to show you how you can resolve this as quickly as possible, because to request and removal of an blacklist, IP blacklist, is a very lengthy process. So how you can expedite it and how you can remove it quickly, as I practically encountered this. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So what you can do, first you need to check on this link. Okay, so you just check on this link. So in this link you will I'm just using a random IP in here, and when you click on this and check in here, it said that it has been blocked, and it has one listing that found. So what you have to do, you need to scroll down, click on more info, and then you click on I am running my old mail server, click on next step. So then you give your name, your email address, and again confirm email address, and then click on submit. So once you submit, Spamhaus will send an email that said that they will receive the request and they try to verify it. So you click on the link that they share on this email list, and then after that they will generate a ticket like this and say that they are going to look after the situation, and they will unblock it as early as possible. So despite saying that it might take some time, it might take more than 2, 3 or 4 hours, so depending depending on how they respond. So beside this, what you can do, you can delist the IP, that same IP in the Microsoft sender.office.com. So in here you again give the email address, give the IP in here, enter the captcha in here, and then click on submit. So once you submit in your email address, you will get an email to your inbox, and it will ask you to verify again. So once you verify it, then this IP got delisted from Microsoft. So these two things that you can do immediately. And the third thing that I wanted you to do is to create a Microsoft support ticket as early as possible, and showing the details that your IP got blocked by Spamhaus. So this can also expedite this issue. But I think if you do these two things within an hour, or maybe 30 minutes or an hour, your issue will got resolved. But make sure that to prevent this issue happening again, you need to check your spamming your users, that they did not send any spam. You need to check the rate if you're using Office 365, that how much email the users are sending, and if there are any spamming from your email address or from your IP addresses are happening or not. So if you ensure this and you check this, I think you will good to go. So that's it for today. Thank you.